Why DeFi will benefit from trade wars in the short term? The crypto market will be negatively impacted by increased volatility in global trade, says ML Tech's Leo Mindyuk. But over time, crypto will be less impacted than traditional finance.By. Leo Mindyuk, edited by Alexandra LevisUpdated February 5, 2025, 4:12 p.m. UTCPublished February 5, 2025, 4:10 p.m. UTC. Bitcoin, BTC, tumbled over the weekend, sinking well below the $100,000 mark as markets reacted to the latest escalation in the U.S. trade disputes. The broader digital asset market followed suit, leading to one of the most significant sell-offs since the outbreak of COVID and the collapse of FTX. Specifically, President Donald Trump announced sweeping new tariffs of 25% on imports from Canada and Mexico and 10% on Chinese goods. Canada and Mexico initially retaliated, but have since reached deals to delay the imposition of U.S. tariffs, while China has announced its own tariffs against U.S. goods. The developments have increased global economic uncertainty and sent risk assets into a temporary free fall. Crypto amid President Trump's global tariff war. Keep watching next video in 1 second. More video 0 of 50 seconds volume 0% press shift ? To access a list of keyboard shortcuts shortcuts enabled disabled shortcuts open, close / or play / PauseSPACEIncrease volume decrease volume seek forward seek backward captions on / OffcFullscreen / exit FullscreenfMute / UnmutemDecrease caption size. Increase caption size plus or equals seek %0-9. Press shift ? To access a list of keyboard shortcuts enabled disabled shortcuts open, close / or play / PauseSPACEIncrease volume decrease volume seek forward seek backward captions on / OffcFullscreen / exit FullscreenfMute / UnmutemDecrease caption size. Increase caption size plus or equals seek %0-9. Press shift ? To access a list of keyboard shortcuts enabled disabled shortcuts open, close / or play / PauseSPACEIncrease volume decrease volume seek forward seek backward captions on / OffcFullscreen / exit FullscreenfMute / UnmutemDecrease caption size. Increase caption size plus or equals seek %0-9. Press shift ? To access a list of keyboard shortcuts enabled disabled shortcuts open, close / or play / PauseSPACEIncrease volume decrease volume seek forward seek backward captions on / OffcFullscreen / exit FullscreenfMute / UnmutemDecrease caption size. Increase caption size plus or equals seek %0-9. Press shift ? To access a list of keyboard shortcuts enabled disabled shortcuts open, close / or play / PauseSPACEIncrease volume decrease volume seek forward seek backward captions on / OffcFullscreen / exit FullscreenfMute / UnmutemDecrease caption size. Increase caption size plus or equals seek %0-9. Press shift ? To access a list of keyboard shortcuts enabled disabled shortcuts open, close / or play / PauseSPACEIncrease volume decrease volume seek forward seek backward captions on / OffcFullscreen / exit FullscreenfMute / UnmutemDecrease caption size. Increase caption size plus or equals seek %0-9. Next up, the rebirth of Enron with Connor Gatos 36:08 Auto 320P1920P1280P722P480P320P subtitle settings off English font color white font opacity 100% font size 100% font family Arial character edge none edge color black background opacity 50% window color black window opacity 0% reset white black red green blue yellow magenta sign 100% 75% 50% 25% 200% 175% 150% 125% 100% 75% 50% Arial Courier Georgia Impact Lucida Consulta Homa Times New Roman Trebuchet MS Verdana Unraised Depressed Uniform Drop Shadow white black red green blue yellow magenta cyan white black red green blue yellow magenta cyan 100% 75% 50% 25% 0% white black red green blue yellow magenta cyan 100% 75% 50% 25% 0% Live 00:0800:4200:50 story continues below. Don't miss another story. Subscribe to the Crypto Long and Short newsletter today. See all newsletters. Sign me up by signing up. You will receive emails about CoinDesk products and you agree to our terms of use and privacy policy. As global economies wrestle with trade disputes, crypto markets face ripple effects in the form of price volatility, mining disruptions, and regulatory challenges. But could these tensions also fuel the rise of decentralized finance? Let's explore how tariff wars could shape the future of crypto. You're reading Crypto Long and Short, our weekly newsletter featuring insights, news, and analysis for the professional investor. Sign up here to get it in your inbox every Wednesday. BTC's reaction to tariff announcement: market volatility. A double-edged sword: tariff wars create uncertainty in traditional markets, often driving investors toward alternative assets like Bitcoin, Ether, and other cryptocurrencies. During economic turbulence, crypto is sometimes seen as a safe haven similar to gold. However, even as institutional adoption of crypto grows, digital assets remain highly speculative. In the short term, the crypto market will be negatively impacted by increased volatility in global trade, with sudden surges or dips influenced by shifting trade policies. But over time, crypto will be less impacted than traditional finance. Mining disruptions: crypto mining relies heavily on specialized hardware, much of which is produced in countries like China. Tariffs on electronic components, semiconductors, and mining rigs can drive up production costs and reduce profitability. Additionally, increased expenses could push smaller miners out of the market, potentially leading to greater centralization of mining power among major players with the resources to weather these financial storms. Regulatory uncertainty and compliance hurdles: tariff wars don't just impact physical goods. They can also influence financial regulations. Governments engaged in tariff wars may use financial regulations as an additional tool to assert control. Increased scrutiny of international crypto transactions, exchanges, and cross-border payments could lead to stricter compliance requirements. This, in turn, could slow adoption rates and make crypto less accessible, particularly in regions where trade restrictions are tightening. At the same time, heightened regulations may push some users deeper into decentralized finance, DeFi, platforms, which operate outside traditional banking systems. Shift towards decentralized finance, DeFi. As trade conflicts heighten distrust in traditional financial systems, decentralized finance, DeFi, may offer users a way to bypass some of the barriers imposed by tariffs and regulations. More users may turn to DeFi platforms for financial autonomy. DeFi applications allow for peer-to-peer transactions without intermediaries, reducing reliance on traditional banking, which is often impacted by trade policies. If tariff wars continue to disrupt traditional trade channels, crypto-based financial solutions could see increased adoption. Conclusion: while crypto is often seen as a hedge against economic instability, it is not immune to the effects of tariff wars. From increased volatility and mining costs, to regulatory shifts and the potential rise of DeFi, the trade conflicts of today could shape the digital economy of tomorrow. While crypto may face new hurdles in the short term, it will emerge stronger in the long term as global markets seek an alternative to traditional finance amidst global governments' ongoing economic battles. Investors, miners, and policymakers should keep a close eye on trade developments as they navigate the complex relationship between geopolitics and digital assets.